If you want to organize your network for better performance and security, VLANs are a great place to start. Virtual Local Area Networks, VLANs, let you split one physical network into separate virtual ones. Once assigned to a VLAN, employees will only have access to the resources in that VLAN. Devices in one VLAN can't talk directly to devices in another, unless you change the settings to allow inter-VLAN routing. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to set up VLANs on a Catalyst 1200 or 1300 switch using the Graphical User Interface, GUI, next. For this demonstration, I'll use the Catalyst 1200 switch. The steps are the same for the 1300 as well. Start by logging into the GUI of the switch. Once you've logged in, there are two ways to get to VLAN settings. You can either navigate to the VLAN Management menu and select VLAN settings, or from the default landing page called Getting Started. Click on the Create VLAN option found under Initial Setup. Both options will take you to the VLAN Management section. By default, only VLAN 1 is configured on the switch. To add a new VLAN, click the Add button. This will open a form where you can create a VLAN. Here, you'll need to specify the VLAN ID with a number. The acceptable range will be displayed. The system won't accept letters or special characters. I'll create a VLAN with an ID of 2 and name it admin. The default settings, such as VLAN interface state and link status, are already enabled. So, I'll leave those as they are. When finished, click Apply. You'll see a notification confirming that the VLAN has been created and is now active. Close this notification and return to the VLAN menu. If you need to create several VLANs at once, you can use the range option when clicking the Add button. Enter a starting and ending VLAN ID to create multiple VLANs in one step. For instance, entering a range from 3 to 5 will create VLANs 3, 4, and 5. When using the range option, you can only assign VLAN IDs during creation. To assign the names, select the VLAN from the list. Click the Edit button next to it, enter the VLAN name, and click Apply. Repeat these steps for any other VLANs you want to name. The VLANs you create manually will show as static, while VLAN 1 is always labeled as the default VLAN. There you have it. The simple process of creating VLANs. The next step is to assign the VLANs to the appropriate ports. Click the link in the description for details. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.